Hey there, amazing learners. Welcome to English Unleashed, the podcast zone. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jay. We're your hosts. And we're super excited to take this English learning journey with you.
This channel is your go-to place to learn everyday English in a fun, simple, and relaxed way, just by listening.
Exactly. Whether you're at home, walking, or cooking, you can practice English through our easy-to-follow podcast episodes. We'll teach you real vocabulary, natural expressions, and how to speak with confidence.
Every episode is designed to help beginners and intermediate learners sound more natural, understand native speakers better, and feel more confident in daily conversations.
We've got episodes on daily life, travel, food, work, relationships, you name it.
So hit that subscribe button now, and don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment below telling us what topic you want us to talk about next.
We're here for you, so let us know what you want to learn. This is your English learning zone.
Let's get started and speak English like never before. See you in the first episode.